channel. Now we will talk about Manipal University counseling cutoff that will be started soon. Rank versus branch. Bangalore campus CSC up to 11,000 you will get the seat if you do better counseling up to last round. If you do mistake you will not get it. EC at 18,000. Electronics and computer 20,000. VLSI design 22,000. RAI 25,000. If they add some branch this year, I will update you about that also in my short video also. So kindly subscribe the channel so that you will be updated. Main campus, as they have merged all the CSE specialization in computer science itself last year. So let's see this year will they continue with that only. If they continue, then CSE cutoff will go up to 7,000 because all the seats have been converted to computer science only. And financial technology 8,000, mathematics and computing 8.5, EC 8.5, cyber physical system 9,000, triple E 17,000, EIE 19,000, mechanical 22,000, aeronautical and biotechnology 20 and 22,000 also you can get the seat. And other that automobile, biomedical, chemical, civil, industrial production engineering up to 35,000 you can get the seat with the better counseling process, and I will help you in that. If you want, you can contact me for paid guidance. Only 499 is required. First know all your possibility, ask all your query, different counseling query also you can ask. There is no limit on question, you can ask unlimited question. After that, if you satisfied, then you can pay the remaining amount and get the guidance. Other people will take the money on website and they will respond you after 3-4 days when the counseling will be completed. So that is not the case here. You can first verify whether I am available or not, and then you can proceed, because number is available through my app and website also you can join, that is also available. So that is Exam Academy. You can download or go to Google also, examacademy.co.in. Now MUJ means Manipal University of Jaipur. Here you can take direct admission also through counseling also. CSE 37,000, CSBS 40,000, electronics related 43,000, biotechnology, chemical, civil, mechanical 48 plus thousand also will provide you the seat. If you are interested in direct admission in Manipal Jaipur or any other college also, like private college in Bangalore or any across India, you can contact me for that also. There is a nominal charge that I will take first, then I will guide you directly from the college. Transparency from the college, you will get the allotment later, then you will have to pay all amount. Before that, no token money like 10,000, 20,000, you don't need to pay. All those people who are asking this, they are fraud. They will take your money and run away. But I will be just charging for my time, that is 2,000, 3,000, and thereafter I will be directly connecting you with the college. And once you agree with the fee, and then they will generate the allotment later, and then you will take the final admission. So hope you get my point. Now Sikkim campus CSE up to 40,000, IoT 42,000, CSE computer science technology 41,000, EC 45, CSN IT 43, AIML 43, data science 44, mechanical and civil. The last rank even at the last rank you will get it. Triple E, EC, VLSI up to 50,000. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe the channel.